love. I will even the one bringing love for you guys. He was 3 months or 2 months when you drop him in Nigeria. He grew with the grandmom, just like me. Okay? Just like me. You both don't have relationship, you know. When he from Libya enter house, he come meet you every day when they fight, true or false. Mo hunjwe no hune, nwera no hune mwegbe me. Die bebo gume ke no asi oga body no kamu mejo degbe mu mejo. Iga toge yo wo ege no ga mu mejo se ne yime. Ege na ka mu mejo bona gu. Bo ga mu mejo egu o se ne yime. Eme ni tana na ga oge. But na oge. If you love your son, Oya Egbe Gambo, you will not use him for gamble. You bring your son, you say he should be dating women. He lie you were. My people, let me explain a little bit of it. Okay? This whole issue, yeah, when the woman, when I see a boy, you got gele boy, you got gele rovie we, ina gele we are not balegbe. No one mure from nowhere now. So I will say, for the first time I involve my mom. So it's okay. We know the right place to do. So let's do it this way. At least. Okay? Since then, everybody they come make quiet. My husband wanted to talk. This man come abroad. Not be me want speak for her. And they talk her now because me already know say me they leave the marriage by myself. Not be you drive me. Not be you. Not be you drive me. This woman go see our video for family channel. A BP medicine now they take. Why? Why? We are fine. BP medicine. Somebody told her don't go to their family channel anymore. The love, the children, the harmony. She never welcome any of that. That's not what she want for her son. Not be waiting one for a pikin. A pikin supposed to be in no way right now, sitting with a woman. After 1 week, he go to Torino. After Torino, he need to go to Dubai. He need to be going around, promising all of you marriage. That is the mission. No, I don't pick her. But the mission fail because I come in. Before I know you, it's other. You are 40, you have 57 years. I be 50 something years, huh? Iga bawe uwe no me. Iga bawe uwe no me. Before I come to your house, I come to your family. If not be every day you and your son they fight. You and your son they quarrel because me get misunderstanding. Because everybody know when like my mother and me and I know grow for the same place. I grow with my grandmother. That's you see I say I know they tell her what because we know flow, we know they flow like that. Who with the flow don't die. Now that one train me just like him. When he come where I never know, I hear mama they quarrel every day. You imagine picking when you don't know a character, you don't know your own. That one are normal. Not be only him all the 3 children. The one way they pray for today, they just settle last motto. They just settle last motto. Because they quarrel, all of them. But no, don't call me in my phone. In my phone. Because I know say I go quit the marriage by myself. Okay? So leave that. No coming, nothing to, don't worry. I'm not desperate. I'm 35 years, I have life. Besides, I even have get children. So don't worry. Before I know my husband, our 2 days 20 something. A picture, imami nana. I don't know if he cut this thing, come back. Please, I'll come in. Let me bring some proof here. Make I bring some proof, come here. neni ko o mi ego. Iya do bere mi na nanu e. O mu ni ko. E worry. Ore. I not love my husband. Thank you. Thank you for all when I don't they pass through. You see in our life. Why are you people like this? Why? Will you wait to die? Now with me and mama come here. I go there with my where they go drug go with mama go somewhere. But you need to go. But I need to do it. So all of you go see her. I need them. Okay? Which one be I not really? I don't love my okay. Thank you. If free now, you feel love on them. Okay? Or wait if they'll do you like that. A video no wait to balo ya webo. A restaurant in where boy ya muria. Mwebok bene. Iga toge. Mwebok bene. La diame la video of your boy you ya mwebok bene. Iga toge. Re boy ya bale restaurant. Osavia. Osavia. Enough. Okay. Oh my God, I bring the wrong thing. Oh, scheiße. I go carry the wrong something. Oh. No. Okay, may I explain? No worry. I'll go bring her later. She say na the bag do this. So, why they make this? I don't look the rest people. Okay? Somebody write mommy love. Somebody, I don't wash her. No. I know. I be one just like quiet, normal, the way they do that. I know they wash them. If I wash, I go reply. Una no. You know, see that lady, oh, when he talk to me, I wash and I reply. This Monica just now, I sleep before they bring out to my notice. I say, okay, make I list. It will say I not still listing now. Okay, maybe I for 50 they manage the whole situation. But it's not right. How long will I manage them? Avoid video because I know hear what they talk inside. That one at the talk was I say now, I know they watch her video. No. That video when she do since how many days now, when she they do about me, if I don't watch her, me turn to fire me. I don't watch that video. That is what I've been doing. That's what I do whenever they do nyama nyama like this. I know click in. Because when I hear, it go pain me, say somebody they lie. So I go react. Just the way I'm doing now. I never plan for this, but I need to do it. I'll still go bring her, but make her talk. Who they insult? Who they insult? So, before I come their house, maybe if you picking, we go talk you, okay? Before I come their house, Mona help me share this video. The mama and I don't they quarrel, they don't they fight, heavy fight. My husband with nervous, the two, if you reach their house, yes, on our CV, they got bad wife. When I come their house, the two of them are bad dead smoker. I came in with love. Two of them will smoke the whole roof. You go full for cigar, smoke. Window like what adoke window you talk. No, I tell mama, please stop. I beg, I know they like all this one. Nothing like please stop. Please. Whenever issue happen, you people don't allow me to explain my own part. And somebody keep lying. I know you don't have job, your husband, no. Okay. Put me for me, I put you. Let's grow together. Now because you pursue me. You know what? Yeah, tell ya. Yeah, tell ya. Problem. Yeah, tie. Mwen bok bene jo veni jimi ave we na. Iga gele amo mwowa. Iga kabie Africa. Kenori reage. Koma no tire. Erumo no ano yele. Veno ya rehe. Ina ve ye bok balowe. Oni agbon boyo. Ati e boyo. Ina gele diowe. Mene de 36 years old. Unwera no wune. Unwijwe unwe. Unwijwe da fome. U anome. Va. Unwe no me va son. Ima e suk moni. Umu bane. Which mother will love a son? I see your son having a lovely family and you are not cool with it. You say, it's too fine, too fine. It's too fine, too fine. Go read your comments. Go do this. Read comment there. No, you are afraid them and read comment. I be everything. I know my husband will not do that. We give each other trust. People all over the world call me. People toast me. Even they know I'm married. He don't come and ask me who is calling you. We don't do that to each other. We build our trust to that extent. So that's why I don't worry. So, my people, before I know them, the two, they quarrel. My husband with his husband, they quarrel, almost they fight. So, I can't come into the family. I see her everywhere, nyama nyama. I like, oh, okay. Before he can tell me the story, I need to be here. They not grow, they small, when he come out and all that. So they just try to know each other and wait till they cause quarrel, say now food, they cause quarrel. Whenever I wake up for night to go eat, you know, you come. To go eat, mama go say, I will boajena, I need my son, you need to abide by the law. And my both the verse. So the man was angry. Okay? Now that one they cause quarrel for them. Now that one they cause quarrel for their two. So, sorry guys. No, why you say may I stop? But were you not enjoying watching her telling all the lies? Were you not enjoying it? They enjoying her telling all the lies? Calling, they say record voice. I never go down one now. You know Jennifer, they say Jennifer make video. You see? So I don't watch that one. Any of the video now, I never click. Heaven can bring me witness. Only first person why they click now. That be Monica. I never click on another person. When you na feel say talk for this matter. You might click here. So stop. Okay, una call the put cry here. But all the allegation, yeah, when they put for my, he have a talk of here. He went marriage phone ne. So a marriage phone was a nigga ita. A marriage your way a bonus is no me manguna. A little daughter tell her say this thing not be juju. Yeah, but the fact that she's continue to fight me, she say until she die. Even though say I bought 20 children, his son must come back to her. Any mother, can you people reason? Una watch the video because of the hate you people have for me. You never analyze the video. I wish my mother was alive because the daughter did not do the juju well. The juju no work. So mama for do better. He talked her 2 times for that video. Go and watch. So when I know them, now I go tell na the kind mother. Because we just the men now, you know. Only unless we don't tell matter. We maybe we tell matter. I don't think I need all this drama for marriage. I don't need that. I know say my husband love me, I love her. But hey, I know say marriage can come to an end one day. It no be problem. Okay? So you need your son to come and work for you and your white man to live. He's coming. Prepare the women for him. Give her 1 room. And he will start working. If he does social media, people already know. So if my husband today want to marry 7 wives, many women go like that for front. So please, they arrange them right now. Girl, you win. I give you thumbs up right now. The thumbs up when they give people when they swear for your grandchildren. The thumbs up when they give people when they swear for only son when you can't pretend like you love. Okay, so when I know them, 2 of them, they get